I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, yesterday, the bears were in control. The market looked dire. Everything was falling apart seemingly. And then the bulls showed up today. Huge pump out of Bitcoin. Yesterday, we talked about the idea where, hey, this is a completely bearish idea. This is just nonstop bearish, unless this happens. And it did. Now, the bulls are not out of the water yet. You've got major, strong overhead resistance just above. Remember that the bulls need, well, number one, they needed to break 38,500, which has happened. And now approaching 40,880. Big test is at 42,000. But you've got a nice big green candle being printed on the daily chart. The daily candle close, it's going to be bullish engulfing candle. Closes in about an hour. Definitely a move in the right direction. What I'm looking for is any type of pullback and retest, right? Load up. I'll potentially open some altcoin positions. I mean, really, you start to get above this level, and then there's a lot of room for some upside, right? So, again, headed in the right direction, but there's some work to do left for the bulls. Banging. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person made 172% profits on one Bitcoin trade. Banging. This person, he started in the group, actually started just watching the YouTube videos. He had $133. He turned $133 into $13,000. Banging. I mean, what is that? 100x, almost 98x. 98x. Think about what your portfolio looks like. Imagine 98x. This person joined the group last January. Now, this is the first time in their entire life that they can see six figures at their disposal. Money's not everything. It's not really about the money. It's about the freedom. Like, there's a point where in life, you want to spend more time with your loved ones. We need it, right? So six figures is a good feeling. Huge. Listen, I'm going to continue running the New Year's special, 60% off plus $100 discount. Make sure, change your life. New Year's resolution, get rich in crypto. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get one additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. Microstrategy, big Bitcoin buyer. Their holdings increased in value by over $400 million today. Nice green candle. Now, could you imagine where MicroStrategy is going to be at in 5 years, 10 years? I mean, Bitcoin's designed to go parabolic. So even though this drawdown from Bitcoin has been miserable, the future is golden. Don't for a second think this thing, they're going to cut the supply in half every 4 years. They're running out of Bitcoin. They're not making an endless supply, 21 million, and they have a couple million left to be created, and it's slowing down. Demand isn't going to increase, and this market is going to explode. NFT, metaverse, the future is here. GameFi, watch what happens. I talked to you guys previously about the Bitcoin daily RSI, how it had broken out. And this is just note to self, Chris, do not downplay or ignore when this happens, because I told you guys, hey, this can front run a lot of the ideas. This front runs a price action. And sure enough, I mean, you did get a pullback, and I think the S&P 500 had a pullback as well. So if you look, SPX 500 had a pullback yesterday. Now, they had a pump today. It's still pulled back, but They're at major resistance. I think this breaks out. Is that correlation still tied together? I mean, it would be super bullish for Bitcoin if this does continue higher. I think this helps. You don't necessarily want to be a breakdown. I really want to break this correlation with the SPX. I want Bitcoin to do its own thing. It's so much easier to trade. But we're paying attention to this idea. But when we see daily RSI breaking out of a massive downtrend, pay attention to this idea. The Bitcoin daily chart, here's the key. It's this easy. This key level where there've been so many rejections, and has been the floor, double bottom, the floor. We're right here. If the Bitcoin bulls can break above this level, things change pretty quick. So again, give me a solid daily candle close. Let Bitcoin work up above, 41,500, 42,000 even. Things change quickly. But remember, big picture, if we don't put in a higher high, higher than this previous $69,000 high, after this potential run up, the price could go considerably lower than where it's at now. I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. This is the Bitcoin 5-minute chart. The shorts got squeezed. This is a short squeeze. Imagine, and I was even posting a setup, hey, this is a great short opportunity. This is the best short entry. I was waiting on it for a day. You get this pullback. A lot of shorts played out and got, pretty good 3x gains out of these shorts. And then everybody went short. And this thing, so what happens is if you're short, right? Let's say you're losing a ton of money on your short. So what you do is you buy Bitcoin to offset your short losses. And so it's called covering. And so you buy long Bitcoin in order to cover your short losses. And so shorts got completely wrecked right here, completely wrecked. And the bulls showed up. So this is Bitcoin dominance. The general rule is it's not good for the altcoins if this thing trends higher. But understand that if Bitcoin is moving higher, Bitcoin's going to drag the USDT valuations of the altcoins higher. But let's say this gets up here and reverses, right? But Bitcoin's still bullish. This is where you get your altcoin seasons, your mini altcoin seasons. At this point, mini altcoin season's good enough. It'll be gem pick city. It'll be super banging altcoin money making time. And we're going to be ready. But for now, these altcoins are still going to get dragged higher. And then when Bitcoin moves sideways, the money flow potential is here. The bulls have a lot of work to do. We know this. But this has been a big step in the right direction. Now, you don't want to see this be a bull trap and go the opposite direction where it comes down here and potentially loses this level. But just saying, the potential for change is here. With HTR is a coin on Kucoin. I've just been watching it. Now, what I want to see, remember, let these trades come to you. All right, so you have this resistance, and now this is resistance. So if Bitcoin gives us that pullback, that essentially you want to see, it's hard to, you get a quick Bitcoin pump like that, it's hard to work with it because, you got to buy the red candles to make money selling the green candles, right? So what I like to see on a Bitcoin pullback would be a retrace down to a support level and then a move higher. So if you let the trades come to you, if you get this, if Bitcoin pulls back, this HTR pulls back as well, then you're looking for entry down here. You had a bunch of volume come in. It was a solid move for HTR, but for upside continuation, if you do get this is your best entry, right? Breakout level is here. So just pay attention to HTR and Kucoin. It's a larger cap coin. It's not going to pump crazy like some of the smaller caps do, but just put it on your radar as long as Bitcoin cooperates, this could be something that plays out. So again, this is not buy now. This is wait for the retrace and get the best entry. Chart these coins, get Tradingview. There's a VIP link in the description. Go to Kucoin. The gem pick season is coming. We've got to be ready to take advantage. These altcoins have been getting wrecked. They're going to bounce hard with Bitcoin. VIP link to join Kucoin is in the description. These gem picks, when they take off, it's crazy money. Life-changing money happens in a couple months, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.